Topic is still for grade 9 students. This is a continuation on nature of roots of a quadratic equation under rule number 4. So rule number 4 states that if discriminant d is less than 0, then the roots are not real. Example, describe the nature of roots of quadratic equation x squared minus x plus 2 equals to 0. Again, before we can describe the nature of the roots of this quadratic equation, we have to get the value of a, b, and c. So here, our a is equivalent understood to be 1, while our b is negative 1, while our c is 2 or positive 2. So, applying the formula, discriminant d is equal to b squared minus 4 multiplied to a multiplied to c. So, substituting the values, our b is equals to negative 1, and that is squared, minus 4 times our a is equals to 1, while our constant c is equals to 2, so discriminant d is equals to 1, negative 1 raised to the power of 2, that is equal to positive 1 or 1, minus 4 times 1 times 2 is equivalent to 8. So therefore, our discriminant is 1 minus 8. 1 is smaller than 8. So our value for discriminant is negative 7. Because the discriminant is negative 7, from the rule, negative 7 is less than 0. Therefore, the roots or the nature of the roots are not real. That is the description of the roots of this quadratic equation, x squared minus x plus 2 equals to 0. I hope you understand well with this discussion of mine, and thank you.